Welcome back, everyone. And Councilman, remember, you have to let Santa answer the question before you ask him a new question. Understood, Your Honor. Good afternoon, Santa. I still have a few more questions I want to ask, but before I start the questioning, how are you? How are you feeling today?
Well, considering that I'm still on trial for crimes I didn't commit, I would say I'm doing pretty fine. How about yourself?
Oh, I can't complain, Santa. I want to wrap up the Tiny Curly Toes topic. Where is Tiny Curly Toes currently?
Oh, well, he's under a watchful supervision.
So he's in jail.
Yes.
And Tiny's being fed properly. He eats every day, correct?
Well, yes, of course. Why wouldn't he be fed properly?
I would like to draw the court's attention to a snippet of one of Santa's songs.
Dashing through the snow with all of my reindeer. Just a casual stroll. Not gonna crash this year. Mrs. Claus made lunch, enough for most of us. We didn't set a plate for Tiny Curly Toes. You know he's still locked up. Oh, come on. That's just artistic expression. Are we using lyrics in court now?
I'm just asking the question, Santa. I'm glad Tiny is being treated well. When will he be released?
Well, that's not something that I can tell you off the top of my head. You have to go through the proper channels, and I'm sure we can find the information if needed. If you want to after the court, we can work something out.
Fair enough. Now, let's discuss your crimes, shall we? How do you justify breaking and entering into millions of homes each year?
What? Breaking and entering? I deliver presents. I mean, occasionally I deliver coal, but what's the harm in what I'm helping people smile every year?
What about all the milk and cookies you steal every year while delivering these presents?
Oh, that's ridiculous. They leave milk and cookies out for me.
Fair point. Again, I'm just here to ask the questions. But my last question, is there any truth that Mrs. Claus is really in charge of the operation? Relevance, counsel. I'm sorry, Your Honor. Well, that ends my line of questioning. Okay, defense. The floor is yours.
Thank you, Your Honor. Santa, is it true that I asked for a rocket ship at the age of 7? What? Yes, you did. Why? But I never got that rocket ship, did I, Santa? Are you serious? You asked this now.
Counsel, relevance.
You're out of order. This whole court is out of order, and I rest my case. Oh my goodness, what have I done?
Okay. Santa, you can step down. We'll have our closing remarks after our brief recess. All right, Councilman. Time for your closing statements. Plaintiff. Ladies and gentlemen, it's been a long week, but I feel confident that we've presented a solid case against Santa. As I promised, we discussed many of Santa's crimes. Now it's up to the jury to make their decision. Some people may wonder, why? Why do we take Santa to trial? To quote one of the greats, no one man should have all that power. If we the people of the world don't check Santa and his organization, how far would they go? It's our hope that the jury makes the right decision based off the evidence we've given. Thank you. The defense may give their statement.
Now, I'm gonna make this brief because I'm trying to catch this Powerball ticket. My client seeks justice for all those who ate the Mars bars. We won't stop them until we find them. Let them know there's no one in the universe they can hide that we won't find them. Santa, he's a good man. Has he spied on people? Yes.
as he stole cookies. Yes. I rest my case.
Okay. The jury will take the night to come up with the verdict, and we'll meet you all back here tomorrow.